Good afternoon, my name is Peter Vaucon and we are today in the River District, a beautiful location. And if you don't know where that is, it's very close to Boundary and Marine. Today we're at 3451 Sawmill, Unit 509. It is an 800 square foot brand new condo, never lived in. Now there is definitely some construction around here, but inside the unit is beautiful and it is nice and quiet. For further information about this unit, please contact Samantha at the number below to set up a private viewing. Thank you and have a great day.